is going to be a wonderful East Coast Women's Conference. We're celebrating our 25th anniversary. You've got to come March 19th through the 21st at Williamsburg. We'll be staying at the Doubletree.
You know it's all about the journey. Join me for the journey. The Doubletree Hotel, Williamsburg, Virginia, March 19th through 21st. I'll see you there.
The what is East Coast Women's Conference. The when is March 19th through the 21st. The where is Williamsburg, Virginia at the Doubletree Hotel. And the who is you. We want you to be there to go on the journey with us. That's the theme this year, and what an incredible time we're going to have worshiping the Lord together with Sister Janice Shostrand and myself and the rest of the Ladies Committee. Would really love to welcome you to the East Coast Women's Conference 2015. Come be a part of the journey. Can't wait to meet you there.
And don't forget, Thursday night, we're changing up our schedule. We are having a banquet, a beautiful, elegant banquet to celebrate our 25th anniversary. So come, we got a tremendous program. You do not want to miss it. Looking forward to seeing you. Bye-bye. Come, let's celebrate the journey together.